Hey everybody, Lombardi25 back again with Goodwin Champions. Just finished doing some Champs hockey. Finally got some details on some of those cards that I was mystified by. So there's a whole bunch of, starting with number 181 short prints, one every 1.5 packs, and then once you get up to 271 you get the high series short prints, which are one in every 5 packs, which is where the Jack Eichel lands. This is actually 315 or 314. There's a rare rookies, which is one in every 600 packs, and there is a Eichel and McDavid for that, but those are 320 and 321, so that's not this version. So then with the gold front Connor McDavid, this is one in every 50 packs because it's the high series short print and it's the gold version, so it is a nice hit, very, very nice. And then the Marc-Andre Fleury that I pulled is one in 100 packs because it has the gold back variation. So that's, and it's a high, whatever, I think it's, oh, you know what? No, it's actually not 1 in 100. It's 1 in 30. Yeah, 1 in 30. Because it's not high, it's just a short print. Alright, so anyways, just to clear all that up, let's get on to Goodwin Champions. Fun stuff. See if we get anything very bizarre or crazy. How the hell do you open this stuff? It's on the bottom. Or I guess maybe the bottom is the top, and I'm an idiot. Either way, there we go. And I found all that out, by the way. Just go into Cardboard Connection. I always use that site for information. They always have like all the pretty much all the checklist and all the information on short prints and stuff on it. Very helpful. Alright, let's see what we get for Goodwin. We're going to get a mix of just about everything under the sun on this stuff, as you probably all know. So, here we go. That's what the base looks like for this season. It has the same white, looks a lot like Champs, actually. Just kind of side by side. Can't really fit them in. Maybe like that. Very similar design, though. You get swimmers, you get MMA, kayaking, Michael Smolin, gold, or mini, not numbered, golf, and Mario Lemieux. Alright, Mario Lemieux, I don't know why I said Mario. So that's what you get, type of stuff. Soccer, and you get 3 random hits. I don't believe there's anything guaranteed for what the hits are, so it can be like the manufactured patches, it can be the autos, it can be like books, memorabilia. This year it's the World War II set they're doing. So Paige Van Sant, mixed MMA, she's pretty big right now, I believe. People are into her. Diving David Boda black, or I don't know, yeah, it's just the black version, I don't know, okay, with a gold, kind of a gold hue. I'm sure there's the same confusing short print stuff on this, and I haven't read up on it, but maybe in my next video I'll explain all that. Bowling, Bret Hart again, he showed up in Champs. A mini of Robert Streb, golfer. Just turning the backs to see if there's anything odd about them. Actually, I should be doing that for any of these, huh? I don't see anything. Well, that was the black one. Alright. I'll just check the packs real quick, see if they have anything about like backs. variations or colors. The black and white cards are 1 in 4 packs. While I'm looking. Yeah, doesn't look like there's anything special about that I have to watch out for on the back. And the Gowdy cards are 1 in 4 packs too. I happened to see that when I was just looking. Kevin Harvick, he's a auto racing, right? NASCAR or whatever. Yeah. Cool. Michael Jordan, he's in every year. Oh, UD owns his soul apparently. Like LeBron. There's Kevin Harvick again. You know what? She was the one actually I was thinking of. Miesha Tate, MMA. She's really hot right now, I think. I pretend I know MMA, but I don't. LeBron James. I do and I don't. I know a lot of the people, but I don't watch it. If that makes sense. And there she is again. Isn't that a different picture? Oh wait, yeah. Oh, because this is a black and white. I guess they're part of the regular set. So they're 2 different pictures. Another Gowdy of Walt Whitman, who is from here. Well, I guess he was born on Long Island, but he was a New Englander. His house is not far away at all from here. Oh, they even have water polo this year, and some rugby too. I'm guessing that's MMA. Randy Caballero, Gowdy. Oh, boxing. All right, same difference, right? Not another Miesha Tate, but a completely different photo. Wow. I don't remember them like having so many different pictures of the same person. But all right, Ali Razman, gymnastics. I feel like there's less and less baseball every year. It's more just all everything. Whoa, Jesus. That's trippy. I did read the 3D stuff, but that's ISIS. Not the terrorist organization, the God. Not to be confused. Supernaturals is the set, the insert set. What are the odds on those? Because I know they're 3 combined to fall 3 in 20 packs. Huh. So I guess they're pretty common. I just remember seeing them that they were very they were promoted on the sell sheet or whatever you want to call it when I was reading about what they were doing this year before I got it. Oh, there's a nice one, or a nice, at least can't even talk. Auto of Danny Berger. I don't really, I know like some of the main guys in golf. Oh my God, it's so like camera is terribly smudged or not focusing. See if I can do that. I don't know if that fixed it at all. Anyways, but Danny Berger auto. It's a very nice looking card actually. I like the clean and on card auto look it has. Anyways, because I've gotten this stuff before, and the autos are never like that. They're fine, but they're just, that looks really cool. I like the look of it. Nice mini of Tiger Woods. LeBron again. I don't know if that's the same picture we already saw. So I believe there's 2 more hits of some sort. A black and white of Tom Glavine. Archery, Cantun and Lorig, whoever that is. Oh, we got something on the back here. Oh man, this is a World War II thing, I think. Oh man, this could be pretty crazy. If it's actual, I don't know if it's manufactured or if this is actually a real... No, it's a relic. It's a real friggin' relic. World War II collection, Italian naval cap tally. That is so fucking cool. Holy crap, that is awesome. You have received a trading card with a World War II memorabilia certified to as being authentic. Wow, so it's not manufactured, this is a real friggin' piece from World War II. That is remarkable. I've never pulled something like that, like the historical type stuff before. Out of all the stuff I've, opened. That is really, really neat. I'm gonna have to tweet that one out. I don't even know what. I don't see any. Yeah, they're very. I know Upper Deck in general are very with print runs and numbering and all that. As of late, especially has like with SP, they don't really release numbers like that. The odds on the Goodwin champion on the back of the packs don't really explain a whole lot, so I don't know. The highest or the biggest, the most they go up to for odds is Goodwin Champions minis, which say 7 in 20 packs. That's the farthest they go in regard to what you can get. But imagine that's a pretty friggin' nice one. Wayne Gretzky mini. Oh, that's a black and gold mini, isn't it? That's different than the regular minis. Yeah, it is. Wow, these two nice boxes today. I mean, I don't even care. That might not be worth anything, but that is one of the cooler things I've ever pulled in my life. Looks like the canvas, if you in Upper Deck hockey, it's like a canvas card of Camille LeBlanc Bizinet Fitness, but it's a mini variation of on a canvas type print. Should be one more. I mean, yeah, one more hit of some sort. So got an auto of a golfer and a nice World War II relic. That's pretty cool. Lewis Carroll is the Gaudi. Take these last couple packs out. 5 packs left. Black and white, or black and gold of Martin Brodeur. And another one of those canvas type minis of Mario Lemieux. Oh, a blank back. Huh. I bet that's pretty rare too. I don't believe the other one was a blank back. Nah, I can't find it in this mess now. Regardless, another nice. I'll just have to do some research after this. Got my work cut out for me. And another of the canvas, Tom Shields swimming. Yeah, see, that was not. Yeah, the other one wasn't blank either, because I'm pretty sure I turned it around and everything. Drag racing, Tom Mongoose Goodwin. Another Misha Barton. I think I've had like 40 of her from this box. Melissa Baker, black and gold. 2 more packs. Should be one more hit. Not being greedy, but there should be. A gold mini of Haley Anderson. Last pack. I don't know if I'm gonna get my third hit, but maybe that's what that World War II makes up for. Or maybe that 3D thing is, maybe the odds, I don't know, these odds don't make sense on here, so maybe that's what it is. I think that was actually one of the hits, the 3D card. But anyway, CM Punk Gaddy is the last hit. Alright, thanks for watching. That was pretty awesome. Obviously very rare. I think it's pretty rare, but fun stuff to open, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace.